Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware compatibility and freeing space. This avoids mid-install failures. Once done, back up personal files to cloud or external storage and note your product key if needed. Next, download the official Windows 11 ISO from Microsoft and grab a reliable tool for mounting or creating an installer image. Make sure you have an active administrator account and internet access. These prerequisites let you proceed without a USB and simplify the in-place upgrade or ISO mount method. Mount the ISO directly in File Explorer by right-clicking and choosing Mount or use a virtual drive tool. Once the ISO is mounted, open the virtual drive and run Setup. EXE as an administrator. This triggers the Windows 11 installer without removable media. During setup, select whether to keep personal files and apps for an upgrade or choose a clean install for a fresh system. Make sure to accept updates and drivers when prompted, because integrated updates reduce post-install troubleshooting and ensure hardware compatibility. Finish the out-of-box experience by configuring privacy settings and signing in. You can choose a local account if preferred. After the desktop loads, open Device Manager and Windows Update to install missing drivers and system patches, then restart as required. If the upgrade fails, note the error code, boot into recovery options and try a rollback or performed repairs. As a key troubleshooting tip, if setup stalls, unhook peripherals, disable third-party antivirus, and retry the ISO install to eliminate software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.